Hey YouTube, so today going to be blacking out this mirror. I found this carbon fiber looking plastic on Amazon. At first I thought that they didn't take this light out and I wasn't going to put it on because I'm not going to sacrifice looks for safety, but it does have a cutout on this, so I was happy that I bought this for, I think it was around $40 US on it. So going to be installing this. Just clean this off, make sure it's nice and dry, there's no bugs on it, and it's pretty simple. Inside here there's all tape on it. You just remove the back of the tape and stick it on. So subscribe to this channel because I am rehauling. This is my 2014 Range Rover Sport. I'm going to be custom it. First I'm going to black out the entire front, so I will post the videos kind of up in the corner at the end so you can keep watching them in a series. Let's stick this baby on and see how she looks. I am pretty excited about this, personally. Oh, and it fits like a glove. Look at that. Wow. Oh, she fits on good. Voila, YouTube, there we go. Managed to make that, I think, look a lot better. You know, I always hated the big white mirrors sticking out. So I'm actually pretty happy with this one. I think it's worth the 40 bucks. Let me know. I'm going to do the exact same on the other side, and I'll take some pictures. Like I said, please subscribe. We're going to be blacking out next is this and the front here. So let me know. What do you guys think? Does this look tacky, or does this look pretty good for 40 bucks?